is 6:59. I'm about to crack this. I'm on my way to the airport. Should be in the sky right now, but my flight got delayed. I'm actually making really good time. I'm not that mad about it anymore. I was really mad about it. Let's go, baby. The next 4 days are gonna be crazy. It all starts right now. Okay guys, I just made it through security, baggage claim, all of that. And guess what? They stopped me for a random bag check. And you know what it was? My pre-workout, my bucked up pre-workout. Made it through, I've got like an hour. I'm probably gonna grab something to eat because I'm gonna be hungry. And then we board at 9 o'clock. Okay, I had some extra time, so I stopped, got something to eat. Breakfast sandwich, it was fire, it was huge. We're about to fly off here pretty soon, I think. We board in like 10 minutes, so. Also, I dropped my debit card on the floor of the bar and it was there for like 10 minutes before I realized. Can you imagine? It was my only card I had, so I would have been screwed. Okay guys, I just got to Charlotte. Basically that flight was terrible. I paid to get an up front seat. They put me right where the latch is, so I had no window, so I couldn't see out my window at all. Hopefully the next one I'll actually be able to see something. Like I couldn't see anything. Also, they didn't send me my boarding pass for this flight. My flights got all messed up, but I just figured it out. Got my pass. Now I have like an hour before my next flight. I'm so bored. I just want to be there. I'm just over this. Flight number 1 down. We are absolutely packed full in this car. We have no room at all, so we're on our way to the Airbnb. We are gonna get our stuff out of here and go get groceries. And we've got the meet and greet at 7 o'clock. Okay, we just got to the Airbnb. It's so cute. I haven't even seen the whole thing yet. I just came straight to my room. Let me look at it first of all. So cute. And then we each got TLF packages. Can I just tell you guys, they gave me my color. Bright blue. I'm wearing blue right now. But yeah, so cute, so excited.
It's gonna be a little Let's go.
The kitchen, first of all, it's huge. So cute.
Take a look outside?
Yeah, let's do it. Oh my. What would you guys rate the pool, 1 to 10?
Could have a diving board.
I'm gonna give it a 4.
Just kidding, no. Like a no flip, but I'm still
awesome.
flip.
Okay, we just went and got some groceries. Allie's taking a shower and we're just quickly getting ready and then we're going over to the meet and greet. The reason I didn't record yesterday is because we went to where the meet and greet spot was, but it was outside and it started raining and lightning and they're like, you guys can't come here. We ended up going to a big athlete mansion, but as soon as the car started coming, they were like, you can't have this many people here. We ended up going to a different park. It was pouring rain, so that's why nobody was filming because it was raining. And this morning we have our team lift. So that is at 9 o'clock. It is currently 7:30. Yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast and stuff. Then we're gonna go hit some legs today.
How thick that is? No.
Look how thick it is.
Are you learning about creatine?
Yes.
Nice.
Learning so much. All right, we've got the squad here.
What's good?
You know, the usual. We're in the parking lot. We're the first ones at the bowling alley. We're going bowling instead of going to the beach because the weather's not good, again.
But it is sunny outside, so I don't know if
It
that's
is.
true.
Now it's nice out. Matt's getting some food in. I haven't eaten since breakfast. I had a protein shake. But we had an amazing, we were at the gym for what, like 3 hours today?
4 hours.
4 hours. Yeah, we were there for 4 hours. I realized that I filmed all my gym content this way, so that sucks.
You won't see any of it.
Oh.
Yeah, you won't see any of it.
Oh, damn it.
And then we just chilled at the house, took some pics, but it was raining, and now we're bowling. I guess we'll update you guys what we do later. I don't know, TBD. Also, they're not on my bowling team, and I'm 100% gonna do better than all of them.
You going down? Oh, okay.
I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. This time is the last. This time is the last.
VIP house number 1. We're number 2.
We're number Bro, we number 1 over here. Let's go. Little bit.
Cheers to that.
Cheers.
Back in there, he's like smelling all that shit.
This stove, all nice for Jake, ready for him to make his breakfast, let him sleep in. Justin
Here to fuck it
had
up.
to come in and mess it up. He's gonna make turkey at 9:20 in the morning.
Yes,
Who does this?
I am. I'm gonna add some eggs to it.
Hey, are you excited or what? Let's go.
I didn't bring my vlog cameras in my bag.
Gym day 2. 2 leg days in a row. Day 2 in the gym. I wasn't here at the
Day 2 in
gym.
the
Were
gym.
you here?
Okay. Yeah, I was here yesterday.
No, I was here yesterday too.
Oh. Wait, you weren't here Wednesday?
No, I got here Wednesday.
Oh, see, late to the
Miscommunication.
party.
Justin, how's your leg day going?
It's going good. It's going good. How about you?
Plain and simple. I like it. It's going good.
I was thinking about my hairdo. I think if I go orange on the bottoms here, and then a nice, like on the top, like a yellow almost.
It's like a little bit of rainbow action.
Should I do rainbow? Roy G. Biv or Roy G. Biv?
I think it's reds on the outside.
Like a double rainbow.
We'll discuss it later. Morning, we're on what day are we on? 3?
We're on day 4 technically.
Okay.
Time's flying by.
Today is paintball. Today's, gonna be honest, the day I've been dreading. I'm not gonna be good. I might be good actually.
You're gonna be wrecked.
I've never played
You're gonna be absolutely
paintball,
wrecked.
anything near paintball.
You're gonna be the good distraction.
Yeah, I have a feeling that I'm gonna be a target here. What's up, FTV? Welcome to the crib. How are you feeling about today?
Feeling good.
You're not gonna hit me though?
No, I don't shoot girls.
How confident are you feeling about today?
Super confident that I'm just gonna blast your face off with this thing today.
Not more than 15 feet, you're not.
I'm gonna be exactly
far,
16 feet
far
away when I do it.
How are you feeling about today's paintball?
I'm feeling great about today's paintball. Coming for blood today. No questions asked.
I really wish I could say the same. I'm not feeling confident. I'm not feeling good.
Not feeling confident?
Well, actually, I hit the thing a few times. I did pretty
Accuracy's
good.
on point at least.
So
That's a
my
good thing.
accuracy was on point. Yeah.
Perfect. That's all we need to hear, right?
All right. How are we feeling about today?
I'm feeling good.
Feeling good?
Confident.
I think someone's got a target on the back.
Sure do feel that way. Yes,
Definitely
I do.
gonna shoot you though.
Not more than 15 feet.
15 feet. Your license illegal. So.
I'll take you to jail right now. How are we feeling today?
I'm feeling ready.
Feeling about it?
I'm ready.
Let's see your stance. Oh, we're absolutely dying out here. It is so hot, so humid, and we're in long sleeves and long pants. All right, last night, baby. This is the big event, red carpet event. We are all ready. We're all looking fresh.
Doing good right now.
Looking good. Beauty, hello, hello. Are you guys excited for tonight or what?
Absolutely.
Let's go. So last night, we're going hard. We're having fun. It's gonna be an amazing night.
Oh yeah.
We made it.
Ready?
We're only an hour late.
Only 55 minutes.
55 minutes late. The
Minutes
trio
late.
made it.
But
We're
we made
here. Does anyone even know where to go?
We'll figure it out.
We'll make it. We're here. That's all that matters. That's us, guys. That's us.
That's us.
Teach me about fucking style.
Really remember this moment because you're gonna look back in like 5 years and you'll be like, you know what? This started at an MVG event. Have a drink.
Come out here and make a huge difference in people's lives. She also brought in the most votes of anybody else. Please let me welcome Anna Heber as the People's Choice Award in 2022. Male MVG Choice Award to Matt Gregory.
I gotta get them. Wait, everyone start. Yeah!
Last morning.
It is.
Just like that, it's over.
Went by too fast.
Packing her up. Maybe the last day, but this day is not quite over because we still have one huge thing to do, and that is officially ride in the official Jake Summers van.
Let's go.
I'm sitting in the one and only passenger seat in the van. So basically, me and Jake, we don't take any days off. Me and him are gonna go hit the gym. Is anyone else hitting the gym? Doesn't look like it. We're going. We're gonna hit some back, some biceps, kind of matching a little bit. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, that's it. So you moved it like, yeah. Yeah.
This? Yeah.
You know how I get those little squiggly lines, like. I really thought that my next clip was going to be me ending the vlog. What happened was I went to go get on my flight, my first flight to leave Tampa. We landed at like 9:45. So I didn't get off the plane until 9:55. I get off, I'm running. I'm Usain Bolt in the I pull up, I see it says boarding closed. You know me, optimistic. I'm thinking, there's no way they're gonna tell me I can't get on. I made it there at 10:07. It departed at 10:20. So I was like, why wouldn't you let me on? Immediately, she said. So I sat crying. I called my dad, sat on the phone with him for a bit, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna go buy another flight. I had to buy a flight online, but it wouldn't work because my phone wasn't working for some reason. So at that point, I don't even care. I was like, whatever, what can you do? I'll figure it out. But I don't want to figure it out right now. I went into the bathroom, I pulled myself together, washed my face, looked crazy, pulled my pride together, and went back to the TSA woman. But there was another woman, went up to her, could obviously tell I had been crying. She helped me out, got me put in this hotel. This hotel's really nice. This bathroom, yeah, they put me up in the king size bed. I mean, there's worse situations to be in. I don't fly out until 1 o'clock today. So yeah, that's basically how my 12 hours have gone. Right now it's 9:55. I didn't add anything to the vlog yesterday. Me and Jake kind of just had a day. Just enjoyed our last day in Tampa. We went to the gym like I showed. We had a nice lunch at this like place on the beach. Then he brought me to the airport. So yeah, we had so much fun, but I guess we've got one more day left in me here. Oh my god, he just got out of his car. I wonder if he heard me. And just like that, it is a wrap, you guys. That was seriously the best and craziest 5 days of my life. Like, when it comes to the flight there, being there, obviously, and then my whole flight situation on the way home, like, let's not even talk about how rough I looked in the last clip. I didn't have anything with me. I couldn't look cute, like, but I can't even put into words how incredible the last few days have been. They seriously have changed just my whole outlook on social media. For the last few months, I have been in my head like sitting and thinking, saying, I want to remember why I love doing this. Because I felt like I had lost that. Like I had lost the passion that I had for it in the beginning of the year. Or I was starting to. And this trip has just reminded me why I love doing this. It has just, like, I can't even explain it. It's just so motivating seeing other people doing what I'm doing, chasing after the same dream, and to think about all of us making it to the top one day together, it's just so motivating. The whole MBG team, Chris, Dan, they have done such an incredible job at building the team. Everybody there was so kind, so welcoming, especially because I was like an outsider. I didn't know one person going in. The only person I had talked to was Chris. So going in, it was brand new to me, and right off the bat, we were all just so close and just so excited. I'm already talking to people about going back to Florida. I'm already having these conversations with people because we want to see each other again. I'm so excited. I'm going to be out there doing so much more. Can't thank the MBG team enough for bringing me on this trip, giving me the opportunity to be there. Such a blessing. I cannot thank the whole team enough. It was the best 4 days of my life. It was life-changing, and I'm so excited to see where we all go from here. So yeah, I think that about wraps it up. Subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, and I will talk to you guys soon.